가방안엔 굳은 다짐이 the backpacker 우리는 backpackers yeah we the backpacker 내가 묻은 신발이 바래져도 backpacker 우리는 backpackers 출발은 언제나 겁없이 시작부터 맨발 내 눈에 싹 다
Good day, I will be demonstrating silver service using a spoon and fork as a tongs. First, you need to put a fork in the left side because I'm a left-handed. And a spoon on the right side. Then the back of the fork presses against the spoon to form a tongue like a grip. Thank you. This concludes my demonstration.